Hello viewers. So we are today performing a DoS attack. Basically DoS means denial of service attack. So today's our agenda is to disconnect a Wi-Fi from an authenticated router without the user permission. For that we are setting our own environment, and this video is for only educational purpose. So before proceeding, let us understand a system configurations which we will be using. So we are using Kali Linux. As you all know, it is famous for penetration testing and ethical hacking. So let us see on which IP address we have connected. So to see in the Linux, there is a command ipconfig. Okay. So basically, it will display a Ethernet Wi-Fi address. So basically, in the Windows, the command is ipconfig. It differs from operating system to operating system. So as you can see, we are connected to one network which has been set up by our own environment for testing purpose. We will disconnect it. Okay. So we are currently not connected to any network. So let us put our network adapter to wireless mode, means wireless monitoring mode. So for that, the command is Elmon ng start one line 0. Okay. This command will put our network adapter to wire network adapter to a monitoring mode. So basically it forces the network adapter to go into the monitoring mode. So let's see. So as it is saying run as a root. Okay, we will run as a root. So to run as a root we will go into the permission. For that the command is sudo. So it will ask for password. So we will enter password. Okay, we are now in a root mode. Then on start and 0. So currently we are in a monitoring mode. So as you can see, all the Wi-Fi and the Ethernet symbols has been down because we are in a monitoring mode. So let's see how we can monitor a particular network or a nearby network which within the range. Whether the command is term ng man 0 monitor. So basically we have started a network adapter in a monitoring mode, and now we want to capture a nearby devices in which we have to see a lot of information related to the network. So to see the information, this is the command aerodump-ng monitor. After hitting enter, as we can see, we are able to see a lot of devices within the range. Okay, so let us understand, or we want to target a specific device from which we want to disconnect a user. So as per our environment, we have set up a Linux router. So our ESS ID means the network ID is Linux, authentication is PSK, the cipher code is used as CCMP, and encryption means security type is WPA2, and channel number is 6. Basically, there are many type of encryptions which are provided to Wi-Fi networks or routers. So one of the encryption is WPA2. As like it may be varied to router or the owner dependency like WPA, WPA2, WPA3, in which WPA3 is the most secure one. So as we have found a router specific on which we have to perform an attack, now we have to monitor that network. Okay, so to monitor that network, we want to see that how many clients are connected to that network, and we have to de-authenticate that client using the ESS ID, means MAC ID of that router. So for that command is aeroterm ng Now here the BSS ID is asking, means we have to enter side as 52 colon b dot 92. It depends on network to network, means if you are using another router the ID will be different. So we will enter the ID and hyphen C is used for channel number. As you can see, channel number is 6 and we will put that particular router into the monitoring mode. So as you can see, the number of devices has been connected.
So as you can see, we got one device which is connected to our router. So it is showing that a number of frames, lost packages, power, station, BSS ID. The less power means we are in a good network area, and the more power means the device is far away from us. And some other information as we are getting to. So we will wait and we will stop by pressing Ctrl C. It will quit. So here we will enter airmon ng hyphen o0 and then authentication hyphen a means the BSS ID of a router and hyphen c means the channel number, where we are not entering the channel number, we are entering a client MAC address which is ESSID, and then we will put this into the one-time monitoring mode. So basically it will send a deauthentication package. As we can see, Wi-Fi still connected, it will disconnect in just a moment. So it has been disconnected. It will try to connect, but it won't connect because we are sending a n number of deauthentication packages to the Wi-Fi network to the client, so it won't
We
connect.
have successfully deauthenticated the client. It means we have successfully disconnected the client from the network. So after disconnecting, we have to come from a monitoring mode to a normal mode. As you can see, it won't show any Wi-Fi network or Ethernet connections because we are in monitoring mode. To come out of monitoring mode, there is a simple command ng stop 190. So after entering this command, hit enter. As you can see, now the network interface has been enabled. So let's connect to the same network of our setup environment. Okay. So we have successfully disconnected the client and successfully performed the attack. So how to prevent this attack? So basically use the EMF, means protected management frames. Using that we can prevent this Wi-Fi deauthentication attack. It also known as a DoS attack. So basically it comes with a WPA3 network security. So there are many ways, but this is the most trusted way, or we can say we can prevent in somewhat, but still it is a chances of 20% that attacker can attack. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this attack and you have gained some knowledge from this, and this video is only for educational purpose. Thank you.